The next topic is combination of resistors. Now what is a resistor? Anything that offers a resistance is a resistor. Whatever devices we apply in our domestic circuit, they are considered as resistors. Like fan is a resistor. Your refrigerator is a resistor. Your geyser is a resistor. Your lights are resistor. So anything that offers resistance is considered to be resistor. Any device that gives you resistance. So we have basically two methods to combine these resistors in a circuit. So the first combination that we will study is series combination. Series combination, as the name indicates, all the resistors, they are connected in series. Now the symbol for a resistor is this one. It means that this is resistor. So now for series combination we have, if suppose this is one resistor, if we combine the second resistor in this way with the first one, then we will say that both these resistors are in series combination. Then third resistor, and so on. If we keep on adding, joining resistors in this way, the combination is said to be series combination. How to identify? See, this is the one end of the first resistor. Let it be resistor number 1, 2, 3. So this is the end of the first resistor. Its one end is joined somewhere else. The second end is joined to another resistor. The second end of second resistor is joined to third. One end is joined to second and another end is joined to some other resistor or somewhere else. It means that no two ends are common with the same resistor. So such a combination is called series combination. So let us take one example where, suppose in the same example, I am joining these, I am making a circuit. So let us suppose here we have applied a battery of, let it be 6 volt, and or let it be any potential V. In general we are calling it as any potential V, and this is switch. And suppose now we have made a circuit like this. So whenever key is closed, switch is closed, our current will start moving. The direction of current is always taken from, this is positive end and negative end, bigger one positive and smaller one negative. So the current, flow of current is conventional current, that is always taken from positive to negative. This is convention, simply convention. So whenever the key is closed, current start flowing it. So let us suppose I is the current that starts flowing through the circuit. So there is only one path through which the current can flow. There is no other path through which this current can move. So only one path. So whatever current is entering from this side, it will go through resistor 1. The same current will go through resistor 2. And the same current will go through resistance 3 and come back to this battery again. So in this type of combination, the current is constant throughout the circuit because current has no other path to leave. So this is resistor 1, R1, R2, R3 and so on. So whatever current is starting from the battery, same current goes through our resistor 1, R1, then R2, then R3. So current is same. So let us suppose that net R is the total resistance of the circuit. So from here we know that R equals to V upon I, where V is the potential applied and I is the current flowing through the circuit, and this R is total resistance. Now we want to find out how much will be the total resistance of the circuit, how much will be this capital R. Now, whenever your current starts moving through first resistor, it opposes the flow of current. It means that whatever energy it has got, it loses some of energy to cross this first resistor. In this, as I give you one example, suppose whenever you go upstairs, every time you lose some of your energy, because some of the energy is consumed to move through stairs, because stairs act as obstacles. In the same manner, whatever energy this current I is having, some of that energy is consumed by this resistor, first resistor. Then it will move through the remaining energy, and some of that energy is consumed through this R2. Then it will move through R3, and the rest of the energy will be consumed by this resistance 3. So, dear students, we'll continue with the next video.